How do you replace a whole house water filter? Imagine waking up and knowing your water is clean and safe without any worries. Replacing a whole house water filter might sound tricky, but it's actually quite straightforward. Let's walk through the steps so you can do it confidently and keep your water quality top-notch. First, find the main water shutoff valve for your house or the valve that isolates your filter system. Turn it off to stop water flow. This prevents any mess or flooding while you work. Next, look for a pressure relief button on the filter housing. Pressing it releases built-up pressure inside the system, making removal safer and easier. Now grab a filter housing wrench. Use it to unscrew the filter housing by turning it counterclockwise. Be ready for some water to spill out, so have a bucket or towels handy. Once the housing is loose, carefully take it off. Inside, you'll see the old filter cartridge. Remove it and dispose of it properly. Take a moment to inspect the inside of the housing for sediment or buildup. Clean the inside of the housing with a soft sponge and a mild bleach solution or just water. Rinse it thoroughly to remove any dirt or residue. Next, check the O-rings, which are rubber seals inside the housing. Remove them, clean them, and inspect for damage. If they are cracked or worn, replace them. Apply a small amount of food-grade silicone lubricant or petroleum jelly to the O-rings to help create a good seal and prevent leaks. Place the new filter cartridge into the housing, making sure it's aligned properly. Screw the housing back onto the filter head by hand, turning clockwise. Tighten it snugly but avoid over-tightening, as that can damage the housing or O-ring. Now, slowly turn the main water valve back on to let water fill the system. Hold the pressure relief button until water flows steadily to releases trapped air. Open the outlet valve and check around the housing for leaks. If everything looks good, run water through the system for a few minutes. This flushes out any loose carbon fines or debris from the new filter. Doing this ensures your water is fresh and clean before regular use. If your system has a bypass valve, use it to avoid shutting off water to the entire house during the change. Always use the correct size filter cartridge and matching O-rings for your system model. If your setup includes a drain line for backflushing, make sure it's connected properly and free of kinks. Remember, replacing your water filter every 6 to 12 months depends on your water quality and how much water your household uses. If you're unsure about working with plumbing or if your system lacks shutoff valves, it's best to call a licensed plumber. Doing so prevents water damage or improper installation. With a little patience and care, replacing your whole house water filter keeps your water clean, safe, and free of sediment and contaminants.